Seems like everyone is recommending a VPN. You have to download VPN to get unbanned. That's not true. I got unbanned without VPN, and I'm gonna be showing guys in this video step by step on how you can get unbanned from Omegle without VPN. Like if you click on one of these websites, you will see that they are just trying to recommend. They are just trying to to make you download the VPN so that they can make money when you pay for the VPN. And the worst thing about it doesn't even work. I tried this multiple times and it doesn't work. And VPN doesn't really work. It just says like something like we can't yeah, this is not not service or something like that. Now here is exactly guys how you can get unbanned from Omegle if you are using Google Chrome. This works best on Google Chrome. Just go to your Google Chrome and click on Control H, okay, at the same time, Control H. Now it will take you directly to this page. You want to click on where it says clear browsing data, okay, and now you want to select where it says cookies and other sites, browsing history, and cached images and files. But keep in mind that this will delete everything. Like if you are using Facebook on this laptop, you will have to sign in again, like to log in into your Facebook using your information if you don't remember the password, stuff like that. Now if you don't have a lot of things on your laptop, like there is nothing to lose. You just want to check all these three boxes as you can see and click on clear data as you can see. Now the moment you click on clear data, it will clear all the data and it will ask you to confirm that and click on yes. Now after that guys, you will have to turn off the Wi-Fi and wait at least 2 minutes, okay? Turn off the Wi-Fi, like turn it off, like take the unplug the cable of the Wi-Fi and wait like 2 minutes, okay? Exactly 2 minutes, you have to count it. Now after guys, you wait 2 minutes, after you clear the the website, like the browsing data, you want to just download Brave, okay? Download this browser, it's called Brave, okay? Download it on Google Chrome, okay? Download Brave. And like if you don't know Brave is very popular. Like it's better than Google Chrome, it's faster. Also there is no ads when you watch videos. You will just want to click on download Brave and wait a few seconds and you will be able to download it. As you can see, you want to click on it and then install the Brave. After you install it, open the Brave. As you can see, I have it right now. Now after that guys, as you can see, I tried it and it worked. So you will not find that you are banned anymore on Omegle. You will just want to click video and click check this, and then click confirm and continue, and then click allow. As you can see, it works guys. There is no ban anymore. Okay, I will just try to do, yeah, as you can see, there is no ban anymore here. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like. Hi, excuse me, I'm sorry. So drop a like on this video if this video helped you. See you guys next video.